Disposing of IT assets can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be risky if you follow these simple steps to keep your data secure and your organization compliant. Step 1. Inventory your IT assets. Make a list of everything you're disposing of. Track the type, quantity, and condition. This keeps you organized and ensures nothing gets overlooked. Step 2. Identify data storage components. Find all components that store sensitive data, like hard drives or SSDs. It's critical to make sure these get destroyed properly. Step 3. Back up important data. Before anything is disposed of, back up what matters. You don't want to lose valuable information in the process. Step 4. Hire a certified ITAD partner. This is where we come in. Retrotech handles the entire process, from compliance to secure data destruction. Step 5. Secure data destruction. Make sure your data is completely wiped. At Retrotech, we guarantee your data is destroyed to the highest industry standards. Step 6. Deinstallation and transportation. Retrotech handles secure deinstallation and transport, so you don't have to worry about anything being damaged or compromised in transit. Ongoing monitoring and improvement. Keep your disposal process under regular review to ensure ongoing compliance. And don't worry, Retrotech keeps you updated on best practices so you can focus on what matters. With Retrotech, you're not just disposing of IT assets. You're ensuring they're handled securely, sustainably, and in full compliance with industry standards. We simplify the process so you can focus on your business while protecting both your organization and the environment. Let's keep your IT disposal process secure and efficient. Start today with Retrotech.